Scrapbookers. This is Megan and I am back today to share my scrapbooking store November kit. So this one I thought I would share real quick. I do have the laundry going in the background, so hopefully that's not going to bother you. And kids might possibly pop out here, but I will try to make this quick so we can just get it done. Okay, so first off, I'll show you the embellishments. We have the Paige Evans Garden Shop embellishments, and that's all of those. I feel like there's probably more than what's on here. So I thought I would pull those out real quick and just kind of show you guys what those all look like. There's a bunch of flowers, which you all know I love flowers, and it has a lot to do with like home sweet home and elements like birds and stuff like that, which is super duper exciting and fun. I love these little copper ones. Those are really metallic and cute. And we've got a bunch of tags and journaling bits, as well as cute little buttons. Those are cute. And little houses, little cat and dog. There's a dog in there too. Gather together, I love you. So just lots of easy, cutesy little things. Flowers are my happy place. And then some little things. Then we've also got this word blessed and these chipboard accents from Cartabella. And this is from the Gather at Home collection. So the chipboard pieces are from the same collection as the kit, the papers that we are going to be using today. Well, this month, because it is November. Can you believe it's November? I can't believe it's November. So here are all of the papers. Take a good look at those and the stickers and embellishments. Then we have this pretty green color, and this is called Fresh Floral. And again, it's the Gather at Home collection. So that's the one side, and then there's the floral, which I love. I love the greenish blue and the pink with the dark black. Then we have this piece of paper called 3x4 journaling cards, and it has just these welcome banners on there, and then the 3x4s on the back. Those are pretty. Gotta love all the flowers again. And I think the theme this month is home and blessed and happy life. We're happy, all that good stuff. So, because November has a lot to do with families and celebrating togetherness, right? Okay, this one is called Paired with Plaid. And there is a cute plaid green there on the back. And then we've got a gingham. Time for Dinner is this one. And the back of that one is a bunch of clocks, which apparently they're eating at 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. They're eating dinner that early or late. This one is called 4x4 journaling cards. And that is a pretty leaf. And then we have the 4x4s, Happy Together, No Place Like Home, Made with Love, Let's Gather Together. So a lot of home elements in this kit. Then we have this nice, pretty mint green paper, and this one's called Green Thumb. And then it has a really, really pretty floral with mint green, kind of like a medium blue and pinks, peachy pink. Then this paper is called 6x4 journaling cards. That's a pretty blue, bluish green, and then 4x6s on the back. Then we have this nice peachy pink, and that is called Falling Flowers. And that's really pretty mint green again with some floral. And a dark kind of navy. And this one's called Garden Guru. I really like that piece of paper. And then this pretty leaf on the back. Then we have this nice peachy pink color, and that is called Picture Perfect. And then there's a lot of different water pictures and things on the back. That's actually really cute. Then we have multi-journaling cards. I love the floral. And then we have a bunch of different sizes of journaling cards here on the back. And then Stay a While with this green floral. And then a couple different sizes, it looks like, of different sayings. Home is where the plants are. Stay a while. Let's see, love makes this house a home. Thankful, grateful, blessed. Love makes this house a home. If there is love in a house, it is a palace for sure. That one is really cute. I don't know if you guys can see the darker black, but that is really cute. And then, oh, I guess I already showed you that one. Okay, then we have the Gather at Home sticker sheet, and this one just has a lot of let's gather together home sentiments on it, and it's really cute. I love the colors, the teal and the like peachy pink colors. So that is this month's kit. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you will come on over, use my link below to get your own kit this month. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.